Welcome to TinyVocab. Let's learn English together. A is for alligator. Snap, snap, snap. Slipping through the water. Clap, clap, clap. B is for bear. Big and round. Rolling and tumbling on the ground. C is for cat. Soft little feet. Tiptoeing quietly down the street. D is for dog. Wag, wag tail. Running fast on the garden trail. E is for elephant. Strong and tall. Splashing water. Having a ball. F is for fox. Clever and quick. Jumping over stones so slick. G is for giraffe. Neck so high. Reaching the leaves up in the sky. H is for horse. Gallop away. Clippity-clop through the day. I is for iguana. Green and bright. Basking calmly in the light. J is for jaguar. Swift and sleek. Sneaking softly. Hide and seek. K is for kangaroo. Hop, hop, hop. Jumping till they finally stop. L is for lion. Mighty and proud. Roaring loudly. Very loud. M is for monkey. Swing, swing, swing. Laughing loudly. Having fun. N is for nest. Cozy and small. Birdies resting. One and all. O is for owl. Wide awake. Hoot, hoot. Sounds it loves to make. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle way. Sliding on ice. Shout hooray. Q is for quail. Quick little run. Hiding fast when play is done. R is for rabbit. Hop so fast. Zooming by. Racing past. S is for snake. Slither slide. Moving slowly side to side. T is for tiger. Stripe, stripe, bright. Prowling softly in the night. U is for urchin. Spiky and round. Rolling gently on ocean ground. V is for vulture. Wings spread wide. Soaring high in the sky with pride. W is for whale. Big and blue. Splash goes the water. Whoosh, whoo. X is for X-R-A-Y fish. Glow, glow bright. Shining softly in the night. Y is for yak. Furry and strong. Climbing mountains all day long. Z is for zebra. Stripe, stripe play. Running freely every day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.